In this video, I'm going to take you through a tour of our online course for understanding how we learn ALS 3040. If you're able to view this video, it means you've made it to our Start Here area, and that's where I would like you to start in this course. So I'm just going to briefly go through each of the menu items in our course and exactly what you will need to do when you click, or what you will see whenever you click on those menu items. Okay? Now, the first is our course news area. This is where I'm going to post important announcements every week. Be sure to check these every Thursdays and Sundays for important information. I might also decide to put some important information on Monday, so be sure to check this often. Now, the Start Here area is where you have information as to what each of these icons are in the left menu. So be sure to read all of it in detail to the very end, because I always tell you what to do next after reading this document. So be sure to go ahead and read that. Next, we have our syllabus document. Now, I've attached a copy of the syllabus document right here. You can download it. Make sure you read it in its entirety, because we have a syllabus quiz to take after you've read the syllabus. Now, the syllabus has very important information about how the different assignments, how you be graded overall, as well as we have included a grading rubric, because we will have some discussions in the course, and I want you to see exactly how the points will be distributed and how you can meet expectations on the discussions. Now, the next will be our schedule. You will see a detailed schedule document on exactly all the activities we will cover each week. Be sure to look at, we have 2 due dates for this course. It will be every Thursdays and every Sundays. Okay, and it's at 11:59 p.m. So make sure you're able to print out this document, because it will be a very important document on our schedule. Now, it can be subject to change, but I will make sure I add an announcement to it. The next is our the instructor information. This will have information about me and my contact information, my phone number, as well as my email. So if you need to let me know, my preferred mode of communication in this class is via email. So if you have questions, you can always email me directly. Next, we have our modules. This is where you will have all the course information in detail. Now, this is where you will start. Again, after you've read the syllabus document, I'll tell you exactly what to do next in the schedule. Next, you will need to go ahead and do this introductory part, take the syllabus quiz, and I will give you directions on how to go every step. Okay, so if you click on each module, I have grouped, this particular course is broken down into 4 modules, because there's 4 important parts, and each module has chapters in them. I decided to go by chapters because it's really important to cover all those aspects. If you click on each chapter, you will have introductions, objectives for that chapter, learning materials, a quiz, how to take the quiz, and of course I summarize and I add any additional information that you need to use. So be sure to go through each of the chapters and see for that week. I don't want to call them weeks, I want us to go by chapters. So I will again, the schedule will direct you on this. Grades, this is where your grades will be posted. Send email, in case you want to send email to inside the course. This will go into your UT email, so you can always send emails using this link. Discussion board, this is where we have all our discussions. Be sure to go to the exact discussion for that week. I will open up information for your view on a weekly basis. So every week you will have a new discussion as well as a new chapter to go through. Next, we have Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. This is a space that I've kept in case, since this is an online course. If you want to meet virtually online, this is almost like our FaceTime with Blackboard. You can come in here, just let me know via email, and we can meet on virtual space. Groups, there is one assignment in this course that's groups. This is the area where I will add your groups when time comes. Now, there are no students in this course, that's why you don't see anything. Now, the other areas are for your support. I have tutorials on how to add things in your course, like a picture, how to take a test in Blackboard. This is just important information. Now, the Learner Support tab will navigate outside of this space. So it takes you to important information at UT on how to support you to learn as a learner. Now, the LEAP guides will contain any information from the library that I think it wise for you to see. So just always check this out in case I have additional resources. And that's our course store. If you have any questions, be sure to either add it to your discussion board or to email.